Welcome. This video demonstrates the end-to-end process of dispatching stock from a test wagon in a rail siding depot in Anna Darpan, validating direct movement, stock deduction and report updates. Prerequisites. Before proceeding, ensure outward process is completed with destination as rail siding. Movement by road is created and approved if not already available. The source depot of movement by road matches the destination depot of movement by rail. Log in as railhead in charge depot or manager depot and navigate to movement by rail rake placement. Select the movement type as inward, choose the appropriate rake movement number, enter the placement time along with the required details and click on submit. Log in as ICCS team member or manager depot and navigate to movement by rail, assign control or test wagon. Select the movement type as inward and choose the rake movement number. If logged in as manager, acknowledge the pop-up message indicating non-membership in the ICCS team. Select the checkbox for the wagon to be marked as a test wagon and submit. Navigate to movement by rail, wagon verification. Select the relevant rake movement number, update the moisture content details for the wagons and click submit. Log in as shed in charge and go to movement by rail, stacking from non-test wagons. Select the appropriate rake movement number and wagon number, enter the number of bags received, choose the stack plan and submit the details. Repeat the above step for other remaining non-test wagons. Log in as gate in charge and navigate to movement by road, create token inward. Enter the truck number and add remarks if required and submit the form generating a token number successfully. Log in as weighbridge in charge and proceed to movement by road, in weight. Select the generated token number, capture the truck's empty weight and click submit. Log in as manager depot and navigate to movement by rail, direct movement from test wagon. Select the rake movement number and corresponding token number, choose the designated test wagon number, enter the number of bags being issued from the wagon and submit the transaction. Log in again as weighbridge in charge and go to movement by road, out weight. Select the token number, capture the gross weight of the truck after loading and submit. Navigate to movement by road, generate truck chit, select the relevant token number and submit the request. Ensure the system confirms that the truck chit has been generated successfully. Log in as gate in charge and proceed to movement by road, gate pass exit. Select the token number, enter the expected arrival time at the destination, verify the truck chit checkbox and submit the details. Log in as manager depot and navigate to reports, daily reports, DDR. Enter all required fields such as date and relevant filters, then click View Report. Verify that the report reflects correct stock deduction and updated dispatch data for the source depot. Log in as ICCS team member or manager depot and navigate to movement by rail, rake loading or unloading acknowledgement. Select movement type as inward, choose the rake movement number, acknowledge any pop-up if applicable and submit the details. Log in as Manager Depot and go to Movement by Rail, Rake Release. Select movement type as inward, choose the rake movement number, enter the release time and submit. Verify that the rake release is completed successfully. Navigate to Reports, Daily Reports, DSR Daily Statement of Receipts. Select the From and To dates, choose the commodity, variety, crop year, shed and click View Reports. Confirm that the report reflects accurate receipt and stock movement details in the destination depot. This completes the dispatch process from a test wagon in a railside depot. The system successfully deducts stock from source sheds, updates DDR and DSR reports, and validates direct movement from test wagon to truck, ensuring full traceability and compliance within Anna Darpan. Thank you.